Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Mac Miller on guitar. We'll start by exploring the fundamental chords that form the backbone of his music. Then, we'll dive into the rhythmic strumming patterns that give his songs their signature feel. Finally, I'll guide you through some simple techniques to truly capture his unique and laid-back guitar style. Get ready to jam. Mac Miller often built his tracks around accessible open chords, making his music great for guitarists of all levels. You'll find chords like G, C, D, E minor, and a minor appearing frequently. Mastering these basic shapes and practicing smooth transitions between them will unlock countless songs. Focus on clean notes and consistent rhythm as you switch. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, playing guitar can be thirsty work, so staying hydrated is key. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your water cold and accessible. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. The rhythmic feel is crucial for Mac Miller's sound. A simple down-up strumming pattern is a great starting point. However, the key is to internalize the relaxed, almost conversational rhythm. Don't rush. Let the groove breathe. Practicing with a metronome will help you maintain consistent timing and develop that natural, unhurried feel. Once you have the chords and rhythm down, you can start adding some stylistic flair. Simple fingerpicking can highlight melodic lines within his songs. Experiment with hammer-ons and pull-offs to add fluidity and expression to your playing. Most importantly, listen intently to Mac Miller's original recordings to pick up on those subtle nuances that make his guitar parts so distinctive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.